Puerto de Mogan Resort in the southwestern part of Gran Canaria, Lomo Chiebre, Spain. Puerto de Mogan is a popular European resort, with a port, hotels and restaurants. The climate in Puerto de Mogan is called one of the most favorable in the world. The weather in Puerto de Mogan is excellent in winter and summer. The local climate is characterized by the absence of significant temperature fluctuations. The holiday season starts in June, and ends at the end of October. In summer, the average daily temperature is plus 28 degrees Celsius. In winter, the weather is quite comfortable and conducive to rest, walks and excursions. During the day the air warms up to plus 22 to 24 degrees Celsius. The water temperature does not fall below plus 18 degrees Celsius. This explains the year-round popularity of the resort among European tourists. Walking tour in January on An Bang Beach, in Hoi An City in Vietnam. Located in Kham District, Quang Nam Province. Just 3 kilometers from Hoi An City Center, An Bang Beach. Unlike the vibrant atmosphere of other beach resorts, An Bang Beach reflects the beauty of tranquility with cool blue water, long white sand, and light waves crashing against the shore. Since the beach is relatively unspoiled by urban development, it is the ideal place for tourists to stay in harmony with nature, escape from the hustle and bustle of life and relax. Phuket, walk along Patong Beach in sunny Thailand. Patong Beach is a secluded and picturesque beach, located in Phuket, Thailand. It is located in the Patong area, and is known for its crystal clear waters and white sandy shores. The beach is surrounded by lush green forests, and is a popular place for swimming, sunbathing and relaxing. Playa del Carmen, literally Carmen Beach, a large resort town in Mexico, in the state of Quintana Roo. Playa del Carmen is a relatively young tourist resort in Mexico, which quickly became popular, and is now one of the most beloved tourist destinations not only in Mexico, but throughout Latin America. This is a beautiful city that mixes the air of the Mexican province with the characteristic rhythm and colors of the Caribbean. Candolim is a small town in the western state of Goa in India. It is located on the coast of the Arabian Sea and is known for its beaches. Candolim is a prestigious beach area in northern Goa, with a large number of well-known hotels and developed infrastructure. Candolim is chosen for recreation by Europeans, mostly by the British. The best time to visit Candolim is from November to March. At this time of the year, the weather is comfortable, as in the whole state of Goa. Daytime temperature is about plus 30 degrees. Thank you so much for visiting the Web TV channel. I hope you enjoyed it. Like, write a review and subscribe to watch new trips around the cities. See you soon. Bye bye.